So let's move and add the dashboard. So here inside the views, so inside our admin, let's add the dashboard dot blade dot php. So here we need so first we need so let's change the title here to admin login, so to be clear that we are logging the admin. And here let's use, or let's copy from here and use the same thing here. So we'll use admin.layouts.app, and here we have admin, not admin login, but the title is dashboard. And here we have so we don't need the mx auto, so let's keep the row and the margin top and the bottom and call, and we can close div here and also here and here also. Let's end section. Okay, so for now let's just add div with the card, and let's add the card body, and here let's change it to card, and here let's add only dashboard for now. So save, let's take a look, so let's refresh and see. So now so we have so we did not add the route yet. Okay, let's add the route. So let's move to the web.php here. So we did not add the route. Okay, so let's add it. So let's copy from here. And paste here. Okay, so let's change it to index, and we will add another function inside controller, which is index, and let's here use dashboard, and here it's get request. Okay, so let's move to the admin again, and here add another function. So here admin dashboard public function index, and inside let's get all the categories using the category model, and we get all. Okay, and also we need the posts, so let's bring the posts here and change it to post. And we need to return the view that we have created, which is the admin dashboard, and we send the categories, and also so let's send categories and also the posts. Okay, so let's change it to posts, and here we need semicolon, and here it's view. Okay, so we return view, which is dashboard. Okay, so let's check and see now if we move to admin dashboard. So let's hit enter. So as you can see, we have the admin, and here is the admin, and here we have the dashboard. Okay, so let's add a login or a logout link, so the admin can log out. So we can do the same thing as we have done here in the for the users. So let's add let's bring this one from here and use it in navbar of the admin. So here can add another one, and inside we have the link, so we can log out. Okay, but the difference here, so let's change it to admin logout for the for the ID, and here let's keep it as it is logout. So let's change it to logout, and also let's add here also for this for the name, let's add here user or something. So let's change it to user. And what else? So here it will take us, so the route will be admin.logout, okay, which is the route that we have already defined, which is this one, okay. So let's refresh the page. So now we have the two links. So I think that we have something wrong here, which is the class. So let's add class for this li, and also I think we need a class for the, so the class here needs to be, so let's change it from where is drop down item to nav link. So save, refresh. So now it's better, okay. So let's log out and see if we are logged in. So as you can see, we are now logged in. So let's try to access the dashboard and see if the middleware is working or not. So we are redirected to the login. So let's do something. Let's log in here using the admin, and here provide password. So submit. So now we are logged in. Let's go back to the home page of the front end, and let's try to log in here and see. So I think let's check if we have. So I forgot the users that I have created before. Let's check if this user exists or not. So it's not existing. Let's try John. So I forgot users that we had before. So I think same thing. So let's register a new user. So let's use and password. So submit. So now we are logged in. Okay, so let's try to access the admin dashboard, because now we are logged in. So we are already logged in with admin. So let's log out and try to access it using the user that is already logged in, which is this one. So this one who is logged in front end. So this one. So let's try to access dashboard. So now, as you can see, the middleware is working. So only the admin who can access the middleware. Okay, so let's submit again. So now we are already logged in. So let's display how many categories we have and how many posts we have. Okay, so let's change the routes here to from so let's change it to admin.index. Okay, so now if we refresh the page and we click here, so we are directed to dashboard. Okay, so let's now, as I said, display. Let's add another div with a card and give it bg, or let's give it shadow sm, and let's add another div with a card header and give it bg white, and also we need or let's give it bg success, and inside let's add a div with the card, or before we add card body, so here let's add each 4, Let's give it a class which is margin top of, let's give it margin top of 2. And here let's display categories. So save. Let's refresh the page. So here we have categories. But before we add here, before we add the card, let's add a div with row and a div with call empty4. Okay, so add here, let's refresh, see what we have here. So now it's better. We can also add here, so here let's change it to text whites and text to center. Okay, so save, refresh. So here we have categories. Let's change this one to 5. Refresh. So now it's better. So here inside the div with card body, so you can display how many categories we have. So you can use the count to display how many categories. So refresh. So we have 10. Let's add here p tag with the card text. So let's save, refresh. So it's same thing, nothing changes. Okay, let's give it lead and text to center. To save, let's refresh. So as you can see now, it's here, but I think let's give it font weight bold. Save, let's take a look. So now we have 10 categories. Okay. So what else we need? So let's remove the PG from here. Let's check if we give it to the card and see if it will work or not. So let's remove space, save, refresh. So I think we can, so here shadow SM. So here text white, we can use it also here. So here and refresh. And I think now it's better. So categories we have 10. Let's add another one. Let's give this one 6. And add another one because we will have 2 and it's 12. Okay, so let's change from categories to posts and here posts count. Okay, so refresh and see, and now we have categories 10, posts 20, and we can change it from success to primary. So as you can see, we have 20 posts and 10 categories. Okay, so now we need to add sidebar here, so we can add or we can view posts and add, edit and delete posts, and also you can view categories and add and delete categories. Okay, so let's do that now.